Hello, my name is Portia Dawson. I am a mother, daughter, sister, aunt, and niece when I'm at home. At work, I'm a mentor program administrator. In life, I'm a member of the Women of Leadership First. Leadership First stands on the foundation of loyalty, education, accountability, discipline, empowerment, respect, service, honesty, integrity, and perseverance. Today, I'm going to speak to you about integrity. According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, integrity is a firm adherence to an especially moral or artistic value, incorruptibility. In other words, doing the right thing even when no one is looking. In the world that we live in, it is easy to fall victim to bad judgment. Our girls today are faced with so many challenges to be accepted in our society. When a young lady walks out her front door, as soon as she puts her foot on that sidewalk, she is immediately transported into the eye of the tornado, which just directly leads down a path of destruction. So what happens there? She has a choice of whether to have sex or not, to drink or do drugs, to be a victim of violence, or even victimize someone else. She's just an arm's length away. So what do? What is our solution? How can we let young girls know that even things that are acceptable and good to other people might not necessarily be good for them? Well, I know that I've made wrong decisions. I can account to that, and I had consequences as a result of those. But those decisions were made when I was younger. At the age of 17, I went away to college, and knowing full well that I was too young to drink, I immediately got on the party train. And that began a downhill spiral. At first, I was able to maintain, then came academic probation and the possibility of being suspended from school completely. My parents eventually came to the point where they said, you know what, we are not going to spend thousands of dollars to send this girl out of state to college to make a fool out of herself. So I returned home and I found a job and started going to the local community college where I found my husband. From the beginning, the relationship was not thought out. All I knew is he had LL Cool J lips and a nice smile. So 10 months later, we were married. At first, the abuse was not as pronounced. He would have outbursts of anger and, he'd blame it on someone else or something else. After our first daughter was born, then the abuse became more apparent. It was more physical. I could hide it with clothing or makeup. And for me, I was just drinking every day just to mask the pain. That lasted for just so long, and then finally it came to a point after our second daughter was born where I just knew that I could no longer go on like this. The emotions were just no longer able to be hidden. I left my husband and started going to AA and returned to school and got a degree in mental health technology. People told me I was justified in drinking every day, self-medicating, but I know that that was not the right thing to do. Integrity, doing the right thing when no one's looking. Today, integrity means letting young women know and other women know that they are not alone. And there are decisions and choices that we make sometimes, but regardless, we can still overcome any type of problems. Thank you.